Welcome to your new future. Imagine making your business more profitable in the next 30 days. Now, imagine creating more time for yourself to care for your family, your mind, body, soul, and wellness. The EntrePods team has created our new Bootstrap Bootcamp, a 30-day program to help owners just like you fix what's not working in your business and to take you to the next level. Created for entrepreneurs that work alone or with small teams, we use powerful strategies that the largest companies around the world implement. Now, perfectly engineered and refined to work for small business owners like yourself. You're not going to be sifting through hours of training videos or getting lost along the way. Everything is broken up and designed specifically for the way people learn best online. You can choose at any point to have more guidance from industry experts in everything from branding, SEO, marketing, social media, podcasting, graphic design, customer experiences, customer service, and more. If you're struggling or in a plateau but are open-minded and ready to move into more freedom and power in your business, our EntrePods Bootstrap Bootcamp is designed for you. In 30 days, feel more in control of your time, work more on the tasks that you enjoy, become the most profitable, and have the huge breakthroughs. Click the link below to get started today.